guys, your girl Bella. How are you? Hope you're all doing well. If you're new to my channel, welcome and thank you so much for looking at this video. Now, today is Fix My Credit Friday. Now, this is a segment where I take questions from you guys and I answer them on Fridays, and in the hopes of helping you along with your credit journey. Now, today's question comes from Martha, and she reached out to me on Facebook Messenger, and her question is as follows. Hey Bella, I have a question. I'm in the process of fixing my credit. The last time I checked, it's fair. I also started a new job. So I have two questions. First question, what score would be ideal to start looking for a house? And second, how long should I be at my current job before looking for a house? Well, Martha, as someone who's recently gone through the home buying process herself, I can definitely speak somewhat on this. Now, this is from my own experience. If you want confirmation or more sound advice, I would definitely suggest talking to a loan officer, real estate agent, or underwriter. But from my experience, I would say a minimum score of a 620 is really where you want to be in order to be in the ballpark of being approved for a mortgage. Ideally 700 and above, so you can get the best interest rate. But 620 is definitely a respectable credit score. But you have to keep in mind that your score alone isn't what's going to make or break approval for a mortgage. It's also what's on your credit report, right? So if you have any collection accounts, past due accounts, you definitely want to clear those up before applying for a mortgage. Now, as far as how long you've been at your job, even though you've been at your job only a short time, the most important thing is they want to see a stable employment history and stable income. So they really focus on how long you've been in that career field. So for example, if you've been a nurse for 10 years, now you decide to be a car salesman, right? And then you're looking to apply for a mortgage, that could be a bit problematic because now they don't know how much money you're going to make as a car salesperson. So, but if you've been at the same career field for the last 10 years, you just switched employment, that's okay because they can see your income history and also your employment history, because that's really what they're concerned about, your ability to repay back this loan. So Martha, thanks again for your question. I hope this was helpful, and for those of you that have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. You can email me at bellascreditcorner@gmail.com. You can also reach out to me via Facebook Messenger. You can follow my page, Bella's Credit Corner, or you can follow me on Instagram and send me a DM there, and that handle is at Bella's Credit Corner. All right, guys, thank you so much for taking a look at this video. If you feel compelled to, hit the like button below, and also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much and have a good day. Bye.